make professional looking fuel lines with AN fittings, let me show you how it's done. Alright guys, get your stainless steel hose. Always pay attention to the barbs at the end. When they fray out, they will go through your skin and they do not feel good. So I already got my hose where I need to cut it. I marked it to length. Grab your electrical tape. Give it a few wraps right in the middle to prevent the stainless steel from fraying out even more. They will fray out a bit, but the electrical tape will just prevent it just a little bit fraying out more. Alright, so we'll wrap it right in the middle. I'm going to go ahead and cut it. What you want to do is chuck it up on the vise. The best way to cut stainless steel hose I found is good old whiz wheel. Cut it right in the middle. Get your cutoff wheel. Turn the power on. Let's go to work. Alright guys, after you cut it, peel the electrical tape back. I'm a big believer in buying tools that are going to make your life easy and simple. So I always use the cool tools when making my AN fittings. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my cool tools. I'm going to go ahead and grab my AN fitting. They come with little shims. Go ahead and put the shims right in there. In the capsule. Take the AN fitting apart. Go ahead and put the little cap in the capsule in the cool tool. Put the cover on. Chuck it up in the vise. There you go. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and install the stainless steel hose in the cool tool. So you want to go ahead and push it all the way till it bottoms out. Alright, that should be good. I always want to go ahead and protect these fittings. They scratch real easily, especially if you pay good money for them. You want them to look nice. So I go ahead and give it a couple wraps of electrical tape. To prevent it from marking up, I always have soft clamp aluminum vise clamps. So go ahead, chuck up the fitting with the hose. Grab the other part of the AN fitting. Get some lube. Just right on the threads. Go ahead and insert it in. Alright, grab your aluminum AN fitting wrench. Start tightening. Alright. There you go. Simple and easy. Go ahead and peel your electrical tape off. And there you have a professional looking AN fitting with stainless steel hose.